A story well punctuated. A story well punctuated. A story well punctuated. Hello, in this video, we are going to have a simple story learning to use punctuation marks. Hello, in this video, we are going to have a simple story learning how to use punctuation marks. Leero tugenda kulaba olugero nga bwe tuyiga enkozesa y'obubonero. Leero tugenda kulaba olugero nga bwe tuyiga enkozesa y'obubonero. Remember, for further reference on punctuation marks, refer to the video above in the description box. Okay, let's start. Katutandike. That morning, the sun was shining a lot, and the sound of the birds was heard. That morning, the sun was shining a lot, and the sound of the birds was heard. That morning, the sun was shining a lot, and the sound of the birds was heard. Ku makya ago, akasana kaali kaaka nnyo era nga n'amaloboozi g'obunyonyi gaali gawulikika. Ku makya ago, akasana kaali kaaka nnyo era nga n'amaloboozi g'obunyonyi gaali gawulikika. Peter and Joshua had to run to school to study. Peter and Joshua had to run to school to study. Peter and Joshua had to run to school to study. And hope you've noted, full stop is pressed at the end of the sentence. Peter ne Joshua baali balina okudduka ku ssomero okusoma. Peter ne Joshua baali balina okudduka ku ssomero okusoma. Peter ne Joshua baali balina okudduka ku ssomero okusoma. Peter asked Joshua, "Did you come with an extra pen?" Peter asked Joshua, "Did you come with an extra pen?" These are quotation marks. Hope you can see. They are used in speech to express an expression of speech. Peter asked Joshua, "Did you come with an extra pen?" A question mark at the end implying that it was a question because Peter asked Joshua. Did you come with an extra pen? Question mark. Peter n'abuuza Joshua, "Wazzeeko ne kkalaamu ya bwino endala?" Peter n'abuuza Joshua, "Wazzeeko ne kkalaamu ya bwino endala?" Peter n'abuuza Joshua, "Wazzeeko ne kkalaamu ya bwino endala?" Joshua replied, "No, I didn't." Joshua replied, "No, I didn't." Hope you can see, comma is pressed between no and I didn't to separate the sentences. It shows that sentences are somewhat related, so the comma separates the two connected sentences. Joshua replied, "No, I didn't." Joshua n'amuddamu nti, "Nedda, sazze nayo." Joshua n'amuddamu nti, "Nedda, sazze nayo." What? You always have many pens in your bag. What? You always have many pens in your bag. Hope you can see the exclamation mark is wondering, what? What? You always have many pens in your bag. Eki? Gwe obeera olina ekkalaamu nnyingi mu nsawo yo. Eki? Gwe obeera olina ekkalaamu nnyingi mu nsawo yo. Eki? Gwe obeera olina ekkalaamu nnyingi mu nsawo yo. Today I left them home, Joshua said. Today I left them home, Joshua said. Today I left them home, Joshua said. Leero nze nazirese waka, Joshua n'amugamba. Leero nze nazirese waka, Joshua n'amugamba. Leero nze nazirese waka, Joshua n'amugamba. Okay, I will borrow from the teacher. Okay, comma, I will borrow from the teacher. Okay, I will borrow from the teacher. Hope you can note that the comma is pressed after the okay. And the other sentence follows. Okay, I will borrow from the teacher, because the two sentences are somewhat related and it creates a pause while reading. Okay, I will borrow from the teacher. Kale, nze nja kwewola ku musomesa. Kale, nze nja kwewola ku musomesa. Borrowing is kwewola. Borrowing, okwewola, okwewola. Kale, nze nja kwewola ku musomesa. Ha ha ha. I pray he doesn't cane you. Ha ha. I pray he doesn't cane you. Ha ha. I pray he doesn't cane you. Nze kansabe ye aleme kukukuba. Nze kansabe ye aleme kukuba. Nze kansabe ye aleme kukuba. And if you want to know about pronouns like he, she, I in Luganda and English, refer to the video above. Okay, hope you've learned how punctuation marks are used. At Benny Benny, we learn with ease. Enjoy! And for further reference on punctuation marks, refer to the video above. Bye bye. Wherever, meet up in the next video.